All right, grade ones, everyone's sitting on the carpet. Is everybody ready to learn? Oh, we are forgetting something, aren't we? Let me see your fiddle fingers. What do we do with our fiddle fingers? We pack them away. And what we're going to do is we're going to sit on our fiddle fingers so it doesn't get in the way of our learning. And I need all eyes facing me. Well done, grade ones. I can see you're all listening very well. All right, so before we begin our lesson, I want to know, who has ever heard of the word rhyming? When something rhymes. I'm sure some of you have heard it in some nursery rhymes. Let's see who knows. Yes? All right, those are words that sound the same, but are not actually the same, right? All right, who can give me an example? Ball and tall. Good job. All right, so I can see a lot of us have a very good idea of what rhyming means. But today we're going to know a little bit more about rhyming by the end of the lesson, okay? So, I'm going to read you a story. And we are going to see how many rhyming words we can find on each page, okay? So let's see. The story we're going to read today is The Peas and the Sneeze. What do you think happens in the story? I see a lot of peas. What else? Oh, you see a girl holding a spoon. Good job. All right. And when you hear the phrase of the book, the name of the story, The Peas and the Sneeze, what are the two words that sound very similar? It is peas and sneeze. What is the two sounds that we hear at the end of each word? The e's sound. Good job. All right, so let's see what's next. This is Louise, who is eating some peas. Can you tell me what two words rhyme? That's right, Louise and peas. Good job. This is the breeze that will make Louise sneeze. Oh my goodness, I'm sure a lot of you know how that feels. What are the two rhyming words we hear here? Breeze and sneeze. Good job. This is a sneeze blowing into the peas. Achoo! There goes all the peas. And these are the peas bouncing off through the trees. What other word rhymes with peas instead of sneeze? Trees. Good job. These are the trees with a circus of fleas. What two words rhyme there? Trees and fleas. Good job. These are the fleas who are bending their knees. They look like they're having an awesome time. These are the knees that are knocking the peas. Oh my goodness. And these are the peas on a flying trapeze. What are the two words that we hear there? Peas and trapeze. Good job. Who knows what a trapeze is? You've seen it in a circus? Wow, that's really cool. These are the teas being drunk by the bees. What do we hear there? What are the two rhyming words we hear? Teas and bees. Good job. These are the bees with a big wheel of cheese. Oh my goodness. They look like they're having a really good time eating that cheese. This is the cheese being pushed by the peas. And these are the peas which are starting to freeze. Why do you think they're freezing? Because they are in the snow. Good job. These are the pleas as the class waits for skis. Do you see that this class is waiting for their skis? What are the two sounds that are similar in these two words? Please and skis. The E sound at the end, right? Good job. These are the skis being brought by Aziz. Oh my goodness, that looks like a lot of skis. This is Aziz being struck by the peas. Oh no! And these are the peas heading off with the skis. These peas have caused so much trouble. Stop! Shouted Aziz, running after the skis. Oh no. Here come the bees, who are chasing their cheese. Some of the fleas are still mending their knees. What does mending mean? Who can tell me? When I give you an example like, I am busy mending your shirt because there's a hole. Yes, to fix. Good job. And poor old Louise would just like some more peas. The end. We hear a lot of rhyming words in the story, correct? Alright, so I've made something pretty cool. And I want to show you what my rhyming wheel looks like. So this is a rhyming wheel. What sound do I have here? If I were to cover the first letter, a and a l sound. Remember, two l's make one l sound. So, what sound does it have at the end of the word here? All. Good job. So when I have my first letter, which is a t, good job. What word am I spelling here? T. Or, tall. Good job. Now let's see what rhymes with tall. What do you think comes next? If I change the t and make it a b. Let's sound it out. B. All, ball. Does tall and ball rhyme? Right, tall and ball does rhyme. All right. Now if I change the b to a w, what word do I have now? W. All, wall. Tall, ball, wall. How many words rhyme here? 3. And tell me, at the end of this, I want you to tell me what all these words have in common. All right, so we have ball, we have tall, we have wall. Let's see the next one. And we have k, all, call, tall, ball, wall, call. What are the sounds that we hear that all 4 words have? Yes, an all sound. So do you see when we just change the first letter of a word that has the same end sound, would they rhyme? Tall, wall, ball, call. Good job. Can anyone think of another word that rhymes with call? Let's see if the wheel has one more for us. Oopsie. All, whole. Do you hear? I don't go, huh? I say, all, whole. That's right. So, ball, tall, call, wall, and whole all have all sounds which make them rhyming words. That is fantastic, grade ones. Good job. Now that we've learned this, I want you to grab out your whiteboard and whiteboard markers and pair up. All right? Good job. Everyone's listening very well this morning. With your whiteboards out, I want you to try and rhyme the word that I'm going to tell you. So if I tell you call, you're going to say wall. Good job. Okay, let's do one. Cat. Write down the word that rhymes with cat. Who can give me an example? Mat. Good job. Hat. Good job. All right, erase your whiteboards. We're going to start again. If I give you the word tree, who can remember from the story what rhymes with tree? P. Good job. All right, I think we are ready. I am very proud of you. Now, I'm going to give you a worksheet that looks like this. I will be handing it out so each person gets one. All right? You are going to cut out each of these little pictures that you see here at the bottom. Let's check them out together. What is my first picture? Tree, then snake, then frog, then clock, then hat, then rat. Good job. This could be rat or mouse, so we'll have to see what it says here, all right? Once we've cut out each of these blocks of pictures, we are going to paste them next to the pictures that rhyme with it. So, what is this? A cake. Good. Which one over here rhymes with cake? Let's check it out. Tree and cake. Does that rhyme? That is correct. That does not rhyme. Clock and cake. They sound They have the first letter that sounds like a k. Very good. But it does not rhyme. Hat and cake. Very good. That does not rhyme. What about snake and cake? That rhymes, hey? What is the sound that we hear at the end of snake? Ache sound, right? If I take away this, what am I left with? Ache. Good job. And cake, let's try it. Take away the k. What am I left with? Ache. Good. So both of them end with an ache sound. So cake and snake. You're then going to take your snake and you're going to paste it in the block. All right? Make sure to write your name. And when you're done, you're going to paste it in your caterpillar book. Okay? You're done with this worksheet. You're going to bring it back to teacher so I can mark it. And if you're a lot quicker than your friends, which is 100% okay, don't rush to the activity. You're going to write 3 sentences. And each of those sentences are going to have 2 rhyming words in it. So for example, if teacher's going to write a sentence, I'm going to write, the boy played with his toy in his room. What are the 2 rhyming words in that sentence? Yes? Boy and toy. Good job. You can use this worksheet to help you a little bit. So if you ever get stuck, go back to your worksheet. And if you are taking a little bit longer than your friends, you can come to me and I'm going to give you some help, all right? But please do not rush through your work, okay? All right. Okay, grade 1s, you may go to your desk.